We are Pheasants International MEP software developer company. Pheasants International Private Limited is a software development company with many years of experience in program development for the HVAC, refrigeration, firefighting, plumbing, clean room HVAC calculation, dust collection system, and psychrometric calculation software for industry. Why we need these softwares? These software will reduce your time. You can design easily. You don't need for manual calculation. Easy to use. We supply the most powerful range of applications for the MEP designer. Pheasants International solutions are the result of technical and scientific experience, plus extensive IT knowledge, always at the forefront of innovation. We are the only software house with an in-house MEP, allowing us to speak the same language as your technical department. Chiller selection. Chillers and chiller plant design provides the designer a very flexible solution to meet the needs of the project. How to calculate the cooling capacity of a chiller. Chillers provide chilled water which is then used to provide air conditioning within buildings. The amount of cooling they produce varies, and it's important to know how much cooling a chiller is producing or is able to produce. HU selection software. Cooling or heating equipment sizing takes into account not only the load imposed on the conditioned space, but also the outside load. By specifying the amount of outside air to be introduced for a specified set of outdoor and indoor conditions. Psychrometric analysis enables the HVAC designer to compute the load imposed on the conditioning equipment. The psychrometric analysis also enables the designer to account for other smaller loads that may be imposed on the system, such as ducts and fans in equipment sizing. Kitchen ventilation. The program is designed for the calculation and design of kitchen ventilation of all categories. The program also supports a structural design of kitchen hoods according to respective documentation. It includes grease-laden air application and non-grease-laden exhaust application hoods. Generator room ventilation. Generator sets need to breathe. They require copious amounts of air to both cool and create combustion in the cylinders. This heat must be removed to maintain proper and safe genset operation. In the absence of a unit-mounted radiator fan, this can be accomplished with induced draft or ventilation fans. Learn from this program how to determine the correct amount of ventilation used by your generator set. Duct calculator. Pressure loss calculation. With the duct design calculation program you can calculate pressure loss is easy. Just run the command, select a data, and the software handles the rest. We'll even show you the all critical calculation and analyze each duct in the path and print that information on the drawing in a pressure drop report. Provisions are as simple as making the changes and running the command again. Our software also offers rectangular and round-shaped duct sizes calculation, also for CFM and duct sizing, heating and cooling loads. Expansion tank sizing software. This expansion tank design program takes you step by step through the design, the use of this software, total system volume, and the fluid inputs. The calculator will automatically and instantly output the sizes of the 3 types of expansion tanks: open, closed, and closed with diaphragm bladder. FM200 fire suppression system calculation software. The FM200 calculation software for engineered suppression systems is a sophisticated calculation routine for predicting the flow of an agent through a pipe network system. The Windows-based user interface provides a convenient, fast, and user-friendly method for entering information about the system. It's designed to help you calculation FM 200 quantity. NOVEC 1230 Calculation Program. This program evaluates the estimation of the minimum amount of NOVEC 1230 fire protection fluid for the area with the indicated parameters. NOVEC 1230 program is calculating the used in fire protection, especially for applications such as servers, communication, and electrical rooms. This program for calculating the volume of gas for a specific space, determining the degree of hazard, temperature, and elevation, the weight of the gas, number of cylinders according to NFPA 2001. Fire Sprinkler Calculation and Fire Pump Sizing Program. Fire Sprinkler Calculation and Fire Pump Sizing Program. Most efficient fire sprinkler design software with automated hydraulic calculations. It is the all-in-one solution to designing a sprinkler system that adheres to the most recent NFPA codes. CO2 Fire Suppression System Calculation. It calculates pipe and nozzle sizes, flow rate, pressure drop, and quantity of carbon dioxide discharged. The program is based on FP 12 methodology and is thus suitable for land-based systems as well as shipboard systems. Plumbing Calculation Program. The Plumbing Design Program calculates building plumbing requirements, including fixture unit calculations, cold water, hot water, and waste FU, and water pipe sizing calculations, to determine the allowable pipe pressure drop based on service pressure, service equipment losses, and required pressure at the most remote fixture. The waste pipe calculation includes the capacity of horizontal waste pipes at various slopes and also vertical waste piping. The vent pipe program includes maximum total length as well as maximum horizontal length for vent pipe sizing. Hydraulic Calculation for Pumps Program calculations. Primary pump calculations, secondary pump calculations, and condenser water pump calculations. All programs include an extensive database of pipe fitting pressure drop values and generic equipment pressure drop data. Multiple alternatives are provided for pipe sizes, design flow rates, as well as for the type and arrangement of fittings and accessories. We are on behalf of our partners and Pheasants International, who has been working for more than 30 years in MEP designing. We are trying to make a way to simply and accelerate designing MEP. Pheasants program knows how all our calculations translate from graphs to numbers without reducing the number of ordinary calculations. These softwares are based on ASHRAE, NFPA, International Plumbing Codes, and SMCNA. How to log in. After filling out personnel data, selecting the desired program, Pheasants will give you a member number. You have registered and have the right to operate Pheasants programs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.